Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 and the 50 moving averages on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then go to Insert, click on it, go to Indicators, Trend, and click on Moving Average. Now we have here period. You have to type 20. Method, you can choose the method you want. We have here simple, this for SMA, and this one is exponential. This is for MA. We have also the smooth, and we have here the linear. So I will choose, for example, the simple, and I will change the color, for example, to yellow, and the thickness, I will choose this one. Now click on OK, and as you can see here, this is our 20 moving average. As you can see, moving average 20. Now let's go and add the 50. Again, click on Insert, Indicators, Trend, Moving Average. Period, type 50. Method, I will keep it on simple. We have here style. I will change yellow, for example, to this, or I will choose this one. And the thickness, I will keep this one. Now click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our 50 moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.